Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into surveymonkey.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, you can just click over free registration or click over register with his email address. Or you can use other options like Apple or Google. But before, let's know what is SurveyMonkey. So SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports. Ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers, SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions. With various templates and customizable options, it makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So once you click over free registration and write your email address and your password, you will find this page. Let's go get to know you. I'm using SurveyMonkey for work or education or personal. Of course, I will choose work. Then you will find this page. What you want to do. First one, start from scratch. Begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then we have here use our quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have here build with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. Once you choose the one you want, you will find this page. So this is the home page as you can see. Have your SurveyMonkey. Have your plans and pricing, upgrade, and you have here how to create survey. So we have three steps: add questions, go to collect, and analyze your results. So that's it how it works with SurveyMonkey. Here we have also send with a survey link, target your ideal respondents, see more ways to send your surveys. So to create, you click over here, create survey. Then you choose if you want to start from scratch, copy an existing survey, build with EA, pick a popular template, paste your account, build a target audience, use proven research methods. I will click over the first one, start from scratch. Once you do that, you will find this page. Here we have design survey. About this one, all you have to do is just add the logo here first. You can just upload it, and then we have here you enter your question and you choose here multiple choice or check boxes, start rating, best worst scale. Then we have file upload. Then we have single text box, comment box, matrix of drop down menus. Then we have here drop down, matrix and rating scale, ranking, slider, multiple text box, date and time. Then you click over done once you select here. We have also here in the logo size, position, also left or side. For example, let's add in some title, for example here, selling products. Page description for this one, you can just use ChatGPT. Then you enter your question here. Enter an answer choice. You have three choices here. You can just add another one. As you can see, score this question, add another answer option or comment file. You have just to click over here, label and replace. You choose between display answer choice, display as comment file. Then we have other options here like size, single line of text, how many characters, for example 100. Then we have here validation also, don't fill this answer, and then you click over save. and then you click over here, done. So this is how you can create your survey. So then you have here in settings about the logo. You can just add the logo also, so it's very important to add it. Then we have here logic also, options, payment, quiz, survey title, exit link, progress bar, also question link, for example recommended questions. What is your gender? Do you have any other comments, questions, or that's for kind of. Then we have here format, classic, one question at a time, conversation also. Then we have paid features here. Your basic plan online lets you preview paid features and question types. Upgrade your plan to use them or edit them to send your survey for free. Then we have your print survey. Choose from the options below to create a printable copy of your survey. The survey will be saved as a PDF file. So for example here optimized, you can just include survey title, then you choose orientation here, portrait or landscape. Then we have paper size here. So there's a lot of details here. So that's all for print. Then we have here collects responses also. About this one, we have here how do you like to collect responses to your survey. The first one, send surveys your way. Send your surveys by email, embed them on your website, share a link on social media, a web page, and more. Then we have target your ideal respondents. By responses from the right demographics on our global survey panel, SurveyMonkey audience get results in minutes. Then we have your analyze results. So this is the last options. As you can see, you can just add questions here and you can just add the dashboard also. So using SurveyMonkey as a beginner is straightforward. First, you have just to sign up for free an account on the SurveyMonkey website. Once logged in, click on the create survey button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next, use the drag and drop editor to add various question types, such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your survey by adjusting the theme and adding a title and description. After you have added all your questions, preview your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the collect responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey via email, a link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built-in analytics tools, which provide insights into the data collected. With these steps, you'll be able to create and manage surveys effectively. So SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on quality in your questions, keep your survey concise, and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying! So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.